Businesses today want reliability, security, and protection for their data because they know that any data loss due to a disaster can be hard to recover. So they need a contingency plan for data recovery that ensures zero data loss and minimal business downtime in the unfortunate event of a disaster. Luckily, there's a solution: ReadyDR from Netgear. How does it work? First, you configure ReadyDR data backups from your ReadyNAS user interface. Then ReadyNAS automatically takes periodic snapshots of your data from your ReadyNAS on-site and backs them up onto a ReadyNAS off-site through a secure encrypted transport. ReadyDR features block-level replication technology, enabling incremental backups that consume a fraction of internet bandwidth compared to traditional backups, allowing you to quickly restore data and get back to business in the event of a disaster. No matter what happens, your data is always fully protected. So while you focus on growing your business, your ReadyNAS with ReadyDR focuses on protecting your most precious asset, your data. Want to find out more? Contact Netgear and ask about ReadyDR today.